Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When the weather gets warm, there's nothing more refreshing than a cold beverage. In the past, I've posted a few recipes like my homemade lemonade, Vietnamese iced coffee, and so on. Here's another delicious cold beverage that is actually quite popular in Mexico. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of Agua de Jamaica. This non-alcoholic beverage is so tasty. Made with dry hibiscus flowers, this is an easy recipe that is packed with flavor. Very economical. I'm sure you'll enjoy drinking it this summer. So my friends, let's get cooking. This refreshing drink is made with dry hibiscus flowers. If your grocery store has a bulk section, more than likely you'll find them there, or for sure online. Alright, so in a large pot we'll add water. Here's how I calculate this. If we have 3 cups of hibiscus, then we'll add 3 cups of water. 4 cups of flowers, 4 cups of water. Easy math. Now, with a spoon, we'll press down on the hibiscus flowers so they sink a little. We'll turn the heat on high and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll set the timer for 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, we'll cover, remove from the heat, and let it steep for 30 minutes. Half an hour later, we'll uncover and drain the concentrate water through a fine sieve placed over a large bowl or measuring cup. Try not to be as messy as I am. Next, we'll squeeze out the flowers so they can extract more liquid and then discard them. By the way, this is how much liquid the hibiscus absorbed. There's 3 cups out of 4. Now, we'll add sugar. I usually add a tablespoon per cup of water. So initially, I added 4 cups before boiling, which means I'll be adding 4 tablespoons. But add it to your liking, okay? From here, we'll transfer to a pitcher before adding more distilled water. So earlier, I added 4 cups to the flowers. Therefore, this time I'll be adding the same amount, although I was left with 3 cups after steeping. We'll give a good stir. Then, like I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary, and transfer to the fridge for 3.5 to 4 hours or until chilled. And my friends, this is our Agua de Jamaica. This flower-infused water is not only colorful, but also refreshing. It pairs well with many Mexican foods, such as mole poblano. If you want to try something different and delicious, you cannot go wrong with this one. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!